Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 2nd. This is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, the US dollar yen, like I was saying this morning, unless we break structure to the upside, which we definitely have not yet, the trend is technically down on the 4 hour time frame. The problem is that the trend is up on the daily and the weekly, and the higher time frame trends are always your friend. So, unless we get a Fibonacci bounce, and a breaker structure to the downside on roughly the 1 hour time frame, we do want to have a little bit of a long bias just because of the daily, weekly time frame. So current structure is probably right around this area. If it breaks below there with momentum, then definitely go bearish. If not, then potentially this could just be a pullback. It would be nice to see it go up and break the 4 hour time frame structure, which to me would help confirm that we are back in the daily and weekly time frame uptrend. But like I said, if it breaks to the downside at a Fibonacci level, then definitely look for shorts. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.